can tell my mom didn't actually wrap it because I was able to pull the bow off. Oh, we'll need the scissors.
Mom, scissors.
It's a box. What's in the box?
Can you scoot the rug a little bit from that part of the ottoman, the chair, I mean?
I pull it away from it.
Ava chooses.
Hey,
It's okay.
Ava, here. What's in here? Ava,
What's in there? What's in the box? Open the box.
what's in here?
Oh,
Yay.
she's cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look. She's got her little wings and everything.
Oh, honey.
Oh, how cute.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you,
Abby.
Grandpa.
Oh, give Abby a kiss. There's a magic wand and everything.
Oh, how cool. She's
Isn't
so
she
cute.
He has a dress.